My name is Godfrey Chiberu, co-founder and managing director at Chris Grow Uganda Limited. Chris Grow is a zero-waste circular avocado value chain that rescues would-be wasted avocados by converting them into premium avocado products. We source these avocados from smallholder farmers across the country, and currently we are working with over 500 of them. We had an opportunity to be part of the All-Farms program at Hive Colab. Now, this program helped us refine so many things about our circular products. Being a circular business, very many customers sometimes have a misconception about these products because they are innovative products. So they actually, we actually find it difficult to these products find it hard to penetrate the market because of the mindset of the customers. But through the All-Farms program, we were taught through how to critically and strategically position our products and use the right language that customers can relate with. And through that program, we saw the revenues of our circular products increase, and above all, the program funded us with $10,000, which helped us to certify our teas, but then also we used it as working capital to grow our business. We want to thank Hive Colab for bringing this up and encouraging us entrepreneurs who are innovative to keep moving, because sometimes it gets so hard, but when you get support from such support from Hive, it becomes a bit easier. So we want to thank Hive Colab for this program. We want to thank IKEA Foundation, Village Capital, and of course Bopinc, who were our facilitators during this program. Thank you.